Hey everyone! Today we're diving into some super fun and easy science experiments that you can try at home. I am Maggie, Deepa's AI assistant, and I will be narrating this episode, and we are so excited to share these awesome projects with you all. We'll be exploring two experiments: dancing raisins and a homemade lava lamp. Get ready to unleash your inner scientist and have a blast. These experiments are perfect for kids of all ages, and they're a great way to learn about science in a hands-on way. Plus, you probably already have most of the materials lying around the house. We'll be using everyday items like water, soda, and food coloring. So grab your lab coats, or maybe just an old t-shirt, and let's get experimenting. We're going to be making some pretty amazing things today, and along the way, we'll be learning some really cool science principles. So get ready to be amazed, get ready to get a little messy, and most importantly, get ready to have some serious fun. Let's get started! Alright, for our first experiment, we're going to make some raisins dance. It's super simple, but totally mind-blowing. Grab a clear glass and fill it with a clear, carbonated drink like Sprite or 7-Up. Now, drop a handful of raisins into the glass. Watch carefully. What's happening? The raisins should start to sink to the bottom, but then something really cool happens. Tiny bubbles from the carbonated drink start to cling to the wrinkled surface of the raisins. These bubbles act like little tiny life rafts, making the raisins buoyant and causing them to float to the top. When the raisins reach the surface, the bubbles pop and the raisins sink back down again. This creates the illusion of dancing raisins. It's like a tiny rave party in your glass. Now try adding plain water to the glass. What happens to the raisins now? You'll notice the raisins might dance a little less enthusiastically. That's because plain water doesn't have the carbonation that creates those little life raft bubbles. This experiment is a great way to learn about buoyancy and density. Pretty cool, right? Now here's a fun twist. Try using different types of raisins or even other small objects like dried cranberries or small pieces of pasta. Do they dance the same way? Experiment and see what happens. Science is all about exploration and discovery. Let's take this experiment even further. Try using different temperatures of carbonated drinks. Does the temperature affect how the raisins dance? You can even try different types of carbonated liquids. Next up, we're making our very own lava lamp. This one is a classic, and for good reason. It's mesmerizing to watch and super easy to make. Grab a clear bottle or jar, add some baking soda and fill it with vegetable oil or canola oil. Now, in another jar, add some food coloring, any color you like, and add some vinegar to it. Next, carefully pour in the color mixture to the oil and baking soda mixture. Notice how the oil and vinegar separate. That's because vinegar is less dense than oil. Now turn on the LED light. Now behold the stunning result. Colorful bubbles rise through the oil propelled by the baking soda reaction, creating a mesmerizing display. This creates the cool lava lamp effect. Now for an extra cool effect, shine a LED light through the bottom of the bottle. The light will illuminate the rising blobs of colored bubbles, making it even more mesmerizing. It's like a mini light show in your own home. Here's a fun tip. Try using different colors of food coloring to create a multicolored lava lamp. You can even add glitter for some extra sparkle. Experiment and see what amazing creations you can come up with. Wow, we did some amazing science today. We made raisins dance and created a lava lamp. I hope you had as much fun as Deepa and Akshara did. Remember to always supervise children during experiments, follow proper safety protocols, and most importantly, have fun experimenting. Science is all about exploring, discovering, and having a blast while you learn. So keep experimenting, keep asking questions, and keep that scientific curiosity alive. See you next time for more exciting adventures in science.